and then below it is a handheld one for just a make-believe for the winch for the boom on top. So I'll go ahead and get a shot of that. There you go. Well, there's that part. I'll go ahead and put the oil pan inside. I also put a lever. You can't see it, I don't think. Okay, I'll pull this off here. Yeah, that's been in there a while. There. That's a winch off a truck that I modified, and I put a lever on it. We don't have a cable or a hook on it for now. Hooks are getting hard to find. But that sums it up for that. Put that in and stick that back on there. Let me find a car to put on there. You can actually see here. Let me back it up a little bit. I'll turn her sideways a little bit. Turn her a little bit. Okay. Well, what should we put on there? All kinds here. I just don't know what I want to put on there. Let's yeah, let's go ahead and put my Mustang on there. My rally car, set up with the bumper deletes. A little dusty, but that gives you an idea. That's why I made the outriggers. Different, I know, but it's pretty cool either way. Now, I'll try to show you the underneath, all the details. I don't know if it'll show up or not, but we'll try. Hopefully we don't lose everything. Oh yeah, this side. There's the shows the control panel. Kinda, right there. Then I put a little exhaust stack on it for the motor, which is a 2300 2.3 Ford 4-cylinder that's turbocharged just to get the job done. You see the motor in there now? Yeah, you can make out the 429 in there now. Pull this out. I'm trying to make everything look functional underneath. I wired the whole thing, plumbed it, and get that chain inside here. There we go. Go ahead and flip her over here. Let me try to zoom her in a little bit here, so hopefully you'll be able to see the fuel tank, holding tank that I made. Scratch built PTO. You see all the air lines are run. I tricked out the exhaust in the front. And just everything's plumbed underneath. Kind of hard to see that in the still pictures, huh? So, there's that. Show everything back in there. And there you have my my mobile service truck, Ford C-600. I can get that light out of the way now. I don't think we need it. I'll have to tighten her up a little bit. I got it at a yard sale for $2, and it was never used, so I need to adjust it. I really haven't used it. I just put it in. So I have to get her all set up. But anyway, I hope you like this. Like I said, I had a lot of fun building it. It took a while. And I got clutter inside the cab and stuff, so I'll have to grab the pictures and I'll have to insert them here and there. Just so you get the idea. I have ramps for it. I don't know where they are. They collapse, actually. I made them so they folded up. And they might be in here. Well, let me look and see if I have them in here. And I do. I had them somewhere. Well, I'll give you a look-see on how they work. I haven't painted them yet because I ran out of paint. I'll have to get some more light blue. That's what color the truck is itself. And go ahead and move it over a little bit here. Try zooming her in so you can get a good look-see. That should be good. I believe this is the one for this side. No. That's what's okay. I never put the slot in there, but this gives you the idea. Because when they're done, they fold up like this. When you have a car on there, and then they open up. Like so. And here's the other one. That's why I had rigged them up for the other service truck that I did for a buddy of mine. But same deal. Everything unfolds. That locks into place. And it's got the little guide pins, and that locks into place as well. Like so, and then goes on that side. Just something I never finished on. I at least got them built, but like I said, that's as far as I got. So neat little thing there. I thought I'd show you. There we go. Okay, people, I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you continue to watch. I trying to do what I can here, trying to spark some interest, maybe get some comments or 2 or 3. And, yeah, doesn't seem to be working, but then again, I'm new out there, so I'll do my best and see what I can do. So, well, there you have it, and like I said, I hope you enjoy it. Be good, and take care, and we'll catch you on the next installment. Scale model restoration, right from my bench, hopefully to your screen, so you can check it out and learn a thing or 2, hopefully. We'll see you.